The modern sport bike, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Some can do over 180 miles an hour right off the showroom floor. All for under 15 grand. Try that with a car and you're spending 6 figures. Where can you even approach the potential of this machine? Try it on the street and you're risking jail. The track. Drive 1 hour from Denver and you're there. It's worth the trip. Meet the Super Street class. You can try racing on for size. Bring your street bike and learn how to race. Throttle, brake, steer. Get schooled, prep it, launch it, race it. What do racers look like? Like a dad, a mom, or a daughter, a son. Novice or amateur, vintage or modern, 2 or 4 strokes, singles, twins, triples, or 4s. MRA has a race class for you. Break the speed limit without breaking the law. 2 wheels and a seat, with your brain in the middle. This should be you. MRA, Motorcycle Road Racing Association. Racing, the way it's meant to be. We'll see you at the track.